Are you a software engineer, software developer, front-end or even back-end developer looking up to level up your career? Here are 5 books you need to read. 1. Software Development A to Z by Olega Filipova and Rizvilao. This book takes the software development process from idea stage to the production stage, enumerating different software development cycles. This book talks even about product management, front-end development, back-end development, and all the concepts you need to be successful to push your career forward. This book is one of the first I read and one of the first that actually helped my career a lot. To The Full Stack Developer by Chris Northwood. This book is so marvelous. It talks about full stack development, front end, back end, and even database, MongoDB, NoSQL, and SQL. It uses JavaScript as this case study, enumerating all the skills you need to become a full stack developer, front end skills, back end skills, and even security skills to make you a full-fledged full stack developer. We have Goking Algorithms by Aditya Bhargava. This book had 4.85 rating on Goodreads. It is a book that focuses on algorithms, DSAs, graphs, dynamic programming, Giddy algorithms, amongst all others. It uses an illustrative approach, explaining it like a dummy. It simplifies all the hard and complex concepts to something very simple. So if you are looking for something very simple to chill and you can easily understand, this book is actually a go. 4. We have Clean Architecture by Robert C. Martin. If you are still writing code that is not readable, then you have to read this book. This book talks about how to write better codes as a developer. It also talks about how to structure your files, the kind of file architecture you need to use to make your file more readable and more understandable. They say a good developer writes code that the computer understands, but a great developer writes code that human understand. Lastly, we have Microservices Pattern by Chris Radisson. This book is very important if you are going to learn about microservices. I could say it's one of the best book I read regarding microservices. It talks about architectures a little bit in general, but focusing on monolith and microservices architecture. It uses a case study of the FGT company, food to go company, how they moved away from the monolithic L to the microservices based architecture. So if you are looking to learn about the microservices architecture, especially in Java, because all the codes in the book are written in Java. So if you are looking to learn about microservices architecture, you can go to this book and it is so marvelous. If you want to see more of this kind of content, just drop a follow.